Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Vtex for beginners in 2024. So today we're exploring how to start using Vtex. Of course, Vtex is a powerful and scalable e-commerce platform designed to help you build and manage your online store efficiently. Whether you are a small business owner as an enterprise, Vtex offers, of course, the tools you need to succeed. So let's walk through the steps to get your online store up and running with Vtex, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Basically, just type Vtex as an example and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Click on this first link, as you can see, which is vtex.com. And that should take you, as you can see, in the home screen or main screen of their platform right away. So if you're a beginner, if you don't know nothing about Vtex, first of all, it's advisable if you scroll down, example, through their home screen or main screen and read like some information about it, what's about, what they are doing, what the solution that they are providing, example, and a lot of other information that you want. Of course, you can even contact them if you want anything. So to start using Vtex, first of all, you need to request a demo. So just go here and click on request a demo. Of course, if you go here, like they have the commerce platform, they have order management system, marketplace and seller management, some add-ons like Vtex live shopping, and some composable commerce, which is Vtex IO. As you can see, the development platform to build from apps to storefront, and this app store, which is compose your admin with a collection of third-party apps if you want to use one of them. So as I said, if you want to use it, get like smart about your digital commerce investments, modernize your stack, and reduce maintaining costs with Vtex Composable and complete the platform. So if you want to use it, you will need to request a demo. So here, as you can see, once you click on request a demo, as you can see, they show you here their office. If you have one as an example close to you, maybe you would like to contact them or something like that, you can view it in Google. You can see all the information about their offices. But if you don't care about that, all you need to do, first of all, to get a demo is simply to fill this form. So contact reason is example. I'm not a customer yet. I would like to talk to sales, or I'm a customer. You would need to talk to sales, or I'm a customer. You need technical support. I'm a partner. I would like to connect. An example, I'm an investor. I would like to talk about investor relations, or I have a media request, or some example other demands. So, an example for me, I'll just do I'm not a customer yet. I would like to talk to sales example, or you can simply have other demands like you want to just try out Vtex first of all before start using it or paying for it or something like that. And once if you like it, of course, then you can start using it. So depending on whatever you want, you can answer all one of those questions here. Then starting by the first name, of course, make sure to fill up some accurate information. For me, just I'll fill up some random informations like test and tester as the first and last name. Corporate email, just enter an email in case they send me something in my email. So please enter a different email address. This does not, of course, so they don't, as you can see, accept addresses from Gmail. So try to do anything other than Gmail. Let me, as an example, try Outlook. I don't know if they accept Outlook or not. So let's see. So Outlook is not acceptable also. So as an example, just do here. So example.com. What about that? So this is not valid because yeah, dot example like that does not exist. So example, I'll just go here and try the professional. So professional email address as example. So example. So all I need to do as an example, I'll just need an example or fake. So fake professional email addresses example. So all I need to do is that to get one. As simple as that. So I'll just go and get one as example from here. So where's the email address? So it's loading as example. Once it's loaded, I'll just go, yeah, and copy that, go and get it right here. As you can see, this is accessible. Here they even give you like the inbox. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I just use that now. So an example here, just enter a country. What about an example if we enter like a country like that, then I'll have to enter the number. So it should be something like that. The company, I'll just name it like Tess, and the message. Uh, I am, as an example, just here trying things out and testing as an example. So that's not what I'm going to type. Of course, for you can type your own message. And of course, as you can see, if you check this box, you agree to be contacted by Vtex by any means of communication, including email or phone, in order to receive last updates of Vtex contents or products or services. If you didn't check this one, you don't have any problem, so you don't need to, I guess. Let me just go and check and click submit. Yeah, as you can see, so thank you. Will be on touch in touch shortly. So as you can see, you don't have to even check this option if you don't want to receive some random products, emails, or SMS or something like that. So once you request demo, of course, as you can see, you'll have to wait a bit until the gets in touch with you. Then you will have access, of course, to their platform. Once you have access to your platform, to their platform, you'll be have access to the admin panel. Then you will be able to start setting up your store settings, adding products into categories, example, configuring payments methods, setting up some shipment method, customizing your store design, managing customers and orders, and then once you satisfied with everything, you'll be able to launch your store. So there is a lot of insights, as an example, about their platform here in their home screen or main screen, so you'll be able to see it out and just understand a bit about this example before. Like you have access to their demo. An example, a lot of things here. We can even just type like how to use like Vtex as example. So there's, as you can see, some videos that's people that already have access to their platform. There's some articles by Vtex, as an example. So, an example on getting started, there's the Vtex core services, platform overview, REST API. So here is an example, an article. I guess this article is already enough if you read this out to understand about Vtex a lot before like you get in a demo for your own. It's good to understand a lot about like catalog, the marketplace, orders, checkouts, payments, fulfillments. As you can see, a lot of things. So this is just getting started. If you want to see how to get the API usage, how to do the how to see the checkout experience, the catalog of everything. As you can see, a lot of things that you can go through by your own and read out. So I guess that's gonna be it for me today. For you successfully, if you have access to your demo successfully, you will be able to start using Vtex without any problems. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.